Hi guys, Tommy Olsson here. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to add and customize a button using Divi and Influx Plus. So it's a blank page I have pre-made, and then just click the plus sign and then you go to button here and click on that. Then I'm gonna add a text. Change that text. And then you add the link to where your visitors that clicks the button, where they gonna end up when clicking your link. This is just an example URL. And then we're gonna go to, and you have settings here that the link will open in the same video. You can have it so they open in a new video, so you still stay on the current page. But anyway, now we're going to go to design. Here you can choose alignment if you want it center or to the left, or like this is now, or to the right. So there you have it there. And then we go to click on button. I'm going to use custom size for button by clicking here. So it says yes. And you can edit the text size here. That was a little bit too big. Let's have it back here. Then you can change the button text color, like for instance red. We're going to change the background color. Let's say we want to have it in blue. Let's see now, we can have it a bit darker like that. You can remove the bottom border. Now I'm going to change the button radius. You can see that it changed there now. Then I'm going to change the button letter spacing, dragging this. Now I'm going to change the button font by clicking on this drop down menu. Choosing that one. And then we're going to choose button font weight. It's on regular now. You can have it on bold. So there you guys have it. That's how you add a button with Divi and this was shown on Influx Plus. Now, if you want to have your own very customizable web page with a WordPress blog with all the plugins you need, then click the link below for a 14-day free trial. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.